these inside for Christmas trees, living Christmas trees, which is one of the things that we're really proud of. We love to have living Christmas trees. So yeah, the 25-gallon might be a little tough to get in and out of the house. 5-gallon, 15, even the 10-gallon are going to be a lot easier to do that. But there is a process to doing it correctly so you don't kill your perfect little Christmas tree. So it's all about acclimating your tree to the new temperature it's going in. So for example, if I'm going to take this little guy into the house as my Christmas tree, I'm going to need to put him in an unheated garage or next to the house for at least 2 days. We really recommend 5 days would be great, just so he starts to get used to those warmer temperatures. Then you're going to give it a deep water before you take it inside. And that means you need a saucer for once you get it in the house, put it underneath so you don't mess up your floors. Once it's inside, watering it, you want to kind of keep the root ball moist because your house is going to be really nice and warm for Christmas. So ice cubes are a great way to do that. Throw some ice cubes in the bottom of the pot and just let it slowly melt. And that's a great way to keep your tree watered. Now, once Christmas is over and you're ready to take your tree outside, what you want to do is do the exact same thing, but in reverse. So you want it to go into the unheated garage or next to the house for about a week before you take it outside and plant it. And that way you make sure that your little living Christmas tree stays alive.